Wait a minute. There it is. The only way to subdue this is to cut this top off. Just killed the beast. And then today we were able to subdue it by cutting off the neck and cleaning out the insides. But all the ingredients are inside. We're going to pull them out right now because this is what we need to make pumpkin pie. Let me see if I can get in here and see if I can find. You need one of the major ingredients. You need cinnamon. You need ground cinnamon. Down in here. Just doesn't want to let it go. He's still alive. You need evaporated milk is what you need. Hold on. It's in between the seeds. The seeds have got it. Ground ginger. You need ground ginger. Hold on. There's still something else in here. Wait a minute. Hold on in here. Wait a minute. Oh my God. You need ground cloves is what you need as well. We've got our stuff here. We got that there. There's one last ingredients, guys. There's one last ingredients we have to be worried about here. You gotta get these out of here. You can't just, hold on. This thing doesn't want to let it go. All right, hold on. You need 100% pure pumpkin to make pumpkin pie. Evaporated milk. Here's the pumpkin. There you go. Let's get our eggs here. Mix it up a little bit here. So now we're going to stir in the pumpkin here. Hope you guys can see this and appreciate homemade pumpkin pie. Because let me tell you something, that pumpkin was hard to track down. You need a can and a half. So sticking with a can. Now I'm just going to stir this up. Pretty easy, right? What do you think? It has to be easy. It has to be easy for me. All right, so this is good. All right, let's see what happens here. So let's pour. Maybe we should have actually added that milk, huh? No mistakes when you're making pumpkin pie. I mean, how do you make a mistake with something like this? You don't. I mean, you're done. 425. Finally, folks, get ready for the final reveal of 2 pumpkin pies. Homemade pumpkin pie from a can. It's always been from a can. Homemade pumpkin pies that Mama would love. Wow, they're hot. I'm eating pumpkin pie. It's been cool in about 5 minutes. You're supposed to wait 2 hours. It turned out really good. Okay, I give it a thumbs up. 2 pumpkin pies